So before we go ahead with the coding, it is important for us to choose the user-friendly integrated development environment for Python. So from here onwards, we will go ahead with Thonny IDE instead of the official idle application. Let us see why I have chosen this IDE. Easy to get started. Thonny comes with built-in Python, so just one simple installer is needed and you are ready to learn programming. Variables functionality. During code, if you select View and then Variables, you can actually see how your program and shell commands store data in real time and the behavior of the variable throughout the program. Easy debugger. Just press Ctrl plus F5 instead of the default F5 and you can run your program step by step. Highlights syntax errors. Unclosed quotes and parentheses are the most common beginners syntax errors. Thonny's editor makes these easy to spot so you can actually know where you have made mistakes. Code completion. We can explore APIs with the help of code completion. You can just type the starting letter of the keyword and you will get various suggestions and you can choose the desired one. Easy third-party integration. You can easily install third-party packages by selecting Tools and clicking on Manage Packages.